Hey guys, welcome to InfoTek Updates. Today, in this video, I am going to show you the changes and improvements in the beta channel of Windows 11 Insider Preview, version 24H2, build 26120.3863, KB5055613. So, without further ado, let's begin. As part of improving Windows search on Copilot plus PCs, Microsoft is beginning to roll out the ability to type a setting that you're looking for in the Windows search box on your taskbar, without needing to remember the exact setting name. For example, you can use your own words to find settings like Change My Theme, or About My PC. You no longer need to remember the exact name of the setting you are looking for, thanks to the power of the 40+ TOPS NPU onboard Copilot plus PCs. These search improvements work even when you're not connected to the internet. Microsoft is also enhancing digital accessibility with the ability to get detailed descriptions of images, charts, and graphs in Narrator, by using the power of AI on Copilot plus PCs. In today's digital world, images are everywhere, on websites, apps, and documents. But for blind and low vision users, many of these visuals remain inaccessible, due to missing or inadequate alt text. With this new feature that is beginning to roll out, Narrator will now generate richer image descriptions on your Copilot plus PC. Simply press the Narrator key plus Ctrl plus D, and the Narrator will read out a contextual description of the image, describing people, objects, colors, text, and numbers from the image. On non-Copilot plus PCs, this experience will continue to give you very basic image descriptions. There are some changes and improvements in this update, like Microsoft is trying out the ability to read content, such as full articles, slideshows, and videos, directly within your MSN feed in the widget sport. As a reminder, you can manage whether your MSN feed is shown in the widget sport, or not directly within the widget settings. There are some new updates to the new widgets on the lock experience. In addition to accessibility and craftsmanship improvements, the lock screen weather widget now supports customization. To configure your weather widget, go to the Settings app, then Personalization, select Lock Screen, and click the Customize Widget option, from the Weather Widget More Options menu. More widgets will be customizable in the future. There are some fixes in this update, like fixed an issue that could cause settings to crash when adding an app to filter in the Settings app, under Privacy and Security, then Recall and Snapshots. Fixed an issue causing File Explorer Home to crash for some insiders, after the latest flights. Fixed an issue where the Organize and New Folder options might not be visible in the Save dialog when using dark mode. Fixed an issue that was causing app icons in the taskbar to become unexpectedly oversized in recent flights, after disconnecting from an external display and some other cases. Updated the logic for apps pinned to the desktop, so that packaged apps no longer show an accent-colored backplate. For example, if you were to drag and drop snipping tool from the apps list in Start to the desktop. In doing this, the icons should be bigger and easier to see now. Please note, you may need to create new shortcuts for this to take effect, if you already have something on your desktop. If your touchpad wasn't working with the previous flight, that should be resolved now. Fixed an issue where when using copy pixels, the pixels may be unexpectedly inverted in certain cases. Fixed an issue where some JPG images weren't displaying, although they could display correctly on older builds. Fixed the issue causing Windows Sandbox to not work in the last flight. There are some known issues in this update, like when joining the beta channels on Windows 11, version 24H2, you will be offered build 26120.3360. After installing that update, you will be offered the most recent update available. This two-hop experience to get onto the latest 24H2 based flight in the beta channel is just temporary. After you do a PC reset under the Settings app, then System, and select Recovery, your build version may incorrectly show as build 26100 instead of build 26120. This will not prevent you from getting future beta channel updates which will resolve this issue. After installing this update, the Windows recovery environment may not work, and you may not be able to use the fix problems using Windows Update option under the Settings app, and then select Recovery. These issues will be fixed in another update soon. Quick Assist will not work for non-administrator users. Some apps may appear blank after installing this update. Closing and relaunching the app may correct the issue. Some apps like Spotify may fail to launch after installing this update. If you uninstall the update, these apps should launch again. You are always in control and can always choose to remove recall anytime via turn Windows features on or off. Removing recall will delete entry points and binaries, like any feature. Windows sometimes keeps temporary copies of binaries for serviceability. These recall binaries are not executable and are eventually removed over time. Make sure you update Microsoft 365 apps to the latest version, so you can jump back into specific documents. Some insiders may experience an issue where recall is unable to automatically save snapshots, and the setting can't be turned on in settings. Microsoft is working on a fix for this issue. The intelligent text actions are now locally moderated, to ensure the safety of prompts and responses, and have replaced the cloud endpoint. Now that these intelligent text actions are fully local, they are also available in Click to Do and Recall. If any of your actions on image entities are no longer appearing, please ensure you have the latest updates for the Photos and Paint app, from the Microsoft Store. There is an issue where images that are used with Click to Do image actions, are stuck in your temp folder on your PC. This issue will be fixed in the next flight. You can manually clear your temp folder. Microsoft is investigating reports that the Click to Do icon is incorrectly showing up on non-Copilot Plus PCs. For improved Windows search on Copilot Plus PCs, it is recommended that you plug in your Copilot Plus PC, for the initial search indexing to get completed. You can check your search indexing status under the Settings app, then select Privacy and Security, and click on Searching Windows. Search and other options such as filtering and Task Manager do not work. After adding the new CPU utility column, you may notice that the system idle process always shows as 0. The CPU graphs on the performance page are still using the old CPU utility calculations. So, that was all the information related to this update. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.